we're doing here, guys, is a little preheat sanding. I've discovered that if you take it to about 120 and get all your scratches going while she's still relatively soft, it makes your life a whole lot easier in the end. I'm eventually going to try out some of that scale stuff they got you painted on, and then you don't have to worry about all that stuff forming on your knife. This is that little old lazy twister master. 13 twist on it, 33 layers. It looks alright, but we're cleaning it up. We're gonna get the test testing and we'll heat treat.